Hello and welcome, I'm Micah, the cosplayer seamstress. Today we're going to be doing the makeup for the Miss Frizzle costume. But before that, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The first thing to do before putting makeup on your face is to prep your skin. For this, I will wash my face with just plain old water from the sink. Then I will be putting on sunscreen to protect my face from the sun and as a kind of primer as well. I will be using Copper Tone Oil Free and Shine Control Face at 45 SPF. I got this at Walmart for about $4. I will simply be spreading this all over my face except on my eyelids, as this is not meant for the eyes. Then I will be gluing down my eyebrows, as I will be covering them up later. I'm not sure where I got this glue stick from, but you can find glue sticks at the Dollar Tree for about $1.25. The next step is foundation and concealer. I start with foundation. I'm using CoverGirl True Blend Hydrating in the color Ivory, and I got it from Walmart for about $7. To apply the foundation, I start with a little on my hand, and then taking my blending sponge, I dab this all over my face, creating a thin layer, as this does cause me to break out if it is too thick. I will also use this to start covering up my eyebrows. Then, to cover my dark under eyes, blemishes, and acne, I will be using concealer. I'm using CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Porcelain. I got this from Walmart for about $8. I apply this by dabbing the wand inside over where I want to cover. I then will take a blending brush and blend this out until you can barely tell that I put it on, but I also don't look tired. I will be using this to cover my eyebrows as best I can. This didn't work as well as I had hoped it would, but that's okay. Finally, I will set this with a setting spray. I'm using Hard Candy's Long Wear setting spray that I got from Walmart for about $7. Now I will move on to the eyes. If we look at a picture of Miss Frizzle, it does not appear as though she wears very much makeup, which makes sense for a teacher. There's not a lot of time in most teachers' mornings to do makeup. As such, I will be doing a natural no makeup look. I will be using this eyeshadow palette from the LA Colors called Sunflower, and I do not remember where I got it from. This palette has natural tones for my skin. To start, I will be covering my entire lid below the crease line with this very light brown that almost matches my skin tone and has a little sparkle to it. Then I will take the next shade up in color and cover my crease line and right above that. After that, I will blend this, covering half my lid, creating a soft fade from the light brown to the darker brown. Then I will use this lovely brown eyeliner, creating some definition along the lid line. I'm not sure where I got this eyeliner from, but you can find them at Walmart for an inexpensive price. Then I will be applying my mascara. I do not curl my lashes as they are naturally curled. I'm using CoverGirl Professional 3-in-1 Hydro Proof in Very Black. I got this from Walmart for about $5.50. This is not a sponsored video, I just really like CoverGirl. I simply will be putting the mascara on with no special extension techniques. I want this to look as natural as possible. Now I will dress the eyebrows. If you look at a picture of Miss Frizzle, she has very thin eyebrows. So I will be using my brown eyeliner from earlier to create thin eyebrows, blending out slightly as to look natural. This still looked like super dark on me, and that's okay. It counterbalanced with the costume later. Now I will be doing the blush and lipstick. For the blush, I will be using this makeup stick from LA Colors in the shade Pink Satin. I got this from the Dollar Tree for about $1.50. I simply want to add some color back to the cheeks. Again, Miss Frizzle does not really wear much makeup, so a simple light go on the blush is what will look best. Now for the lips. Again, I want a very simple, natural look, so I will only be putting on tinted lip balm. I do not know what brand or shade this is, as it has rubbed off, nor do I remember where I got it from. I will again apply this very simply on my lips, making sure there is a slight color to them. Finally, I will be spraying my face with a setting spray. I will be using the Hard Candy's Longwear setting spray that I got from Walmart for about $7. I will simply spray this all over my face. Congratulations, you have finished the makeup for the Miss Frizzle costume. Here's what the makeup looks like with the whole costume and hair. If you would like to see how I made the costume, check out my playlist on the channel. I cannot wait to start on the next project.
Now that you have makeup, you have finished the Miss Frizzle costume. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next project!